Hey, good day everyone. I've got this dome tunnel greenhouse here for an unboxing and review, and I just pulled all the parts out of the bag here. On the left here we got our piece 1s and 2s, then 5 and 6s, the arches, piece 4s, 3s, and then these ones are piece 3s also. And then of course the cover. All right, I got the base of this just roughed out, and so it goes piece 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 all the way down. Same thing with that side, piece 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 all the way down. Then for the ends, there's a 4 right in the middle, and then a 3 and a 3. Same thing with that one, 4, piece 3 and 3. And most of this is going to go together with these longer fasteners here. Okay, we're here right at this corner here, so we've got a piece 3 here and a piece 4 there. Now this is piece 1, and then it's going to go 2, 2, 2, 2 all the way down. So I got piece 1 and 2, and then this cross member here is piece 7. Okay, for this right corner joint, here's what I got going on. So I got piece 3 coming over here, and then piece 4 here. And then this piece 7 here I've got hooked in over here. That's gonna line up here on this right corner. So that was my piece 1, and then I took piece 7 here and sandwiched it in between over here, just like this. And this is piece number 2 right here. Got a sandwich there, and then once we put this other piece on the top here, that's gonna go there. Okay, that's the corner I just showed you. Now coming over here, we got piece 3, 4, 3, and over here, right, we got our other piece 1. This is that other corner, so there's how that looks. So I've got piece 3 here, just down below, so this front kind of sits flush with the ground. This is up just a little bit. This is our side piece. There's the look of it there. So it's important to get this right, getting started, and then this lines up this way, parallel. The holes line up parallel with this. Okay, now we're just gonna work our way down here and put all these piece 2s in with one of these right in the base. All right, I'm just putting my piece number 2s in. Now when you get to the end here, it's 2 all the way down, but in the very ends in each corner is piece number 1. That's what you want in your corners. Over here too, piece number 1. Okay, I've got all the piece number 1s in the corners, and then number 2s all along here, and everything's screwed in. Now it's time to put in these curved pieces, and I'm going to start right here with this piece with that diagonal cross member, and it's just going to go right here, but I'm going to incorporate this with it there. Okay, on this right side here, I'm going to put all our piece 5s all along there, so it's going to go 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 all the way down on the right side. On the left side here, this is going to be piece 6s all the way down on top of these. Okay, we got our arch pieces put up. Now it's going to go 6, right? We're going to go 6 on this side all the way down here. So it's going to go piece 6 and then another 5. So it's going to go 5, 5, 6. So we'll go ahead and get those set up. Then we'll get the cross members set up. Okay, now on this right corner, the first one I'm going to put up here, this is a piece 4. So it's going to go 4, 3, 3, 3 all the way back. Okay, we're going to want to make sure we have one of these in each corner too. So I'm about to pop that little screw off and pop this piece number 4 on for our horizontal there, and then I'll hook that thing back in, and then I'll put the piece 6 over here, and then hook that side into that too, that portion. Got the first 2 arches up. Now I'll go ahead and put all my arch pieces on. Okay, I've got these 2 rear arches up too. See, make sure each corner's got one of those 45s in there. Okay, for the corners, piece 4, piece 7, piece 1, piece 2, and then this is piece 4 here, and then it goes piece 3 down here, and it'll be a piece 3 up here as well. Okay, now it's piece 4 on the end, like I said, and then this is piece 3, piece 3. When you're hooking these in, these all go in as one. So if you already have this together, you just pop this screw out, slide this piece in, and then connect all 3 right there. Got these all up. So what I'm doing is I'm putting these together as I go. So I'll put my other piece right in here and connect it to here. Slide this piece in, the nut in, and then connect it to the arch piece and my piece number 2. That'll get me ready for my next run. There's progress so far. Right there it is, got all the arches up, got the side pieces up. Now everything's tightened down, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put these and all the ends down here. Okay, now that we got this part up, this run, now we're gonna start with our piece 4 here. And we're gonna put it right up here, right where the first arch starts. It's like this. So I got a piece 4 in here and then a piece 3 right there. So I'm just gonna do piece 3s all the way down. All right, so we got those ones up there on both sides. Now we just gotta do another run along the very top of the roof at the peak. So we're gonna do the same thing that we did here, but we're gonna do it right up here in each of these connections. All right, got our top run done now. Go ahead and pop these on there. Okay, now these shorter fasteners, we're gonna use it to fasten this down here. So we'll go ahead and screw these in. There it is, got it all together. Now we're ready to put on the tarp. All right, the tarp was super easy to put on. Just unfolded it right here and then drug it over the top and pulled it all out. Real easy. So it's got the windows on it and everything here too. And these little ties here to tie up the windows if you want to leave them open. It's got a zipper for the door. Has some little ties here. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up to the frame there. Last thing to do is to use the rope and stakes and go ahead and stake it all down. There's a little tab here on the outside of the cover. This is what you're gonna tie your rope to. Now we're ready to start growing some plants in here. I can really feel how hot it is in here just from standing in here, so this is gonna work like a charm.